Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some good deals and coupon matchups that are going on at Dollar General this week. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, let's get into our drink deals. So we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They are on sale this week, 3 for $11. Now we also have a couple of rebates that'll go along with this deal. So if you wanted to pick up 3 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 12 packs, just make one of them the Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot 12 packs. Then you can submit your receipt to fetch rewards because we have a 2,000 point bonus when you purchase one of the Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot 12 packs. So submit your receipt to fetch, you're going to get $2 back. That's going to make your final price $9 for all 3. Now, we also have a rebate right now on Ibotta for the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar 12 packs for $1 back. So if you wanted to purchase 3 of the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar 12 packs for $11, then you could submit a receipt to Ibotta, get $3 back. That's going to make your final price $8 for 3. Now, y'all can definitely mix and match on this deal. So what you can do is pick up 1 of the Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot 12 packs and 2 of the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar 12 packs. And that's going to put you at $11. Then you're going to submit a receipt to fetch rewards and get $2 back on that Flamin' Hot 12 pack. And also submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back because there is a limit of 5 on this Mountain Dew Zero Sugar rebate. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $2 back. That's going to make your final price $7 for all 3 12 packs. Alright, next up we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6 packs. Those are also on sale this week, 3 for $11. Next up, we have Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, A&W, RC Cola, and Sunkist 6 packs. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $8. And we also have the Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, A&W, and 7-Up 2 liters. Those are on sale, 3 for $4. Next up, we have Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. They are on sale, buy 2 and get 1 for free. So that's going to leave you paying $13.50 for all 3. Alright, next up we have a pretty good deal on coffee this week. So we have the Folgers Classic Roast 30.5 ounce cans of coffee. These are priced at $10.25. We have a $1.75 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $8.50. But this deal gets even better because this week at DG we have a little spin deal. So when you spend $10 on any Folgers items, you're going to get 1 Clover Valley creamer for free. So pick up the Folgers coffee at $10.25 and the Clover Valley creamers. There's different ones that y'all can choose from, but those are priced at $1.40. Use that coupon plus that spin deal. You're going to pay $8.50 for both items. Alright, next up we have the Louisiana Family Tea Bags, 24 count. These are priced at $2. We have a 75-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.25. Alright, next up, here's a pretty good little deal here. We have these Snapple drinks. They are on sale 2 for $2, and we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2. Now, this deal can get even better for you because right now on Inbox Dollars, we have a 50-cent off 1 printable coupon. So pick up 2 for $2, use that 50-cent off 1 digital coupon and that 50-cent off 1 printable coupon from Inbox Dollars. That's going to leave you paying $1 for 2. And since you printed off that printable coupon from Inbox Dollars, you're going to get back 20 cents just for using that coupon in the store. So that's going to make your final price 80 cents for 2. Now, if your store doesn't accept printable coupons, here's a different way that y'all can do this deal. You can pick up 2, use that digital coupon, pay $1.50 out of pocket for 2, then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get back 50 cents for that second Snapple. So that's going to make your final price $1 for 2. Alright, next up we have a few chip deals. So we have the Doritos and Cheetos. Those are on sale this week, 2 for $6. And then we also have the Lay's and Smart Food. Those are on sale, 2 for $6. And then we have one more chip deal. We have the Lay's or Sun Chips. Those are on sale for $1.95 each when you purchase 4. So that's going to leave you paying $7.80 for 4 bags. And we also have the Pringles. They are on sale this week, 2 for $3, making those $1.50 each. And we also have a couple of sales on pizza this week. So we have the Red Baron pizzas. Those are on sale, 2 for $9. And we have the little Totino's Party pizzas. They're on sale for $1.50. Alright, next up we have a pretty good deal on Wonder Bread buns this week. So you can pick up the hamburger buns or the hot dog buns. Those are on sale for $2.65. They're normally $3.50. But we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $2.15. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a 25-cent rebate. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get that 25 cents back. That's going to make your final price just $1.90. All right, next up we have an amazing cereal deal. So we have the General Mills cereals. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $6, which is a great deal all on its own. But we do have some digital coupons that y'all can stack with this sale. So use your 1-off 3 DG store coupon for any of the cereals. Then we also have a 1-off 2 manufacturer coupon and a 75-cent off 1 manufacturer coupon. So use all 3 of those coupons, and that's going to leave you paying $3.25 for all 3 boxes, making those about $1 each. All right, next up we have an instant savings deal. So there's a lot included in this, and I'm going to show you all some of the products that are included and some that are not. So we have an instant savings deal for when you spend $10 or more on these products, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. All right, so one of the brands that are included in this instant savings deal is Swanson. So this week at Dollar General, we have the Swanson White Premium Chunk Chicken Breast. They are on sale 2 for $6, but unfortunately, this particular deal is not included in that instant savings. All right, next up we have the V8 Splash Drinks. Now, these are on sale this week, 3 for $5. So that is a great deal all by itself. Now, these are also included in that instant savings deal. However, when you add, say for instance, if you wanted to go and pick up 6 of the V8 Splash Drinks with this sale, you would think that's going to put you at $10 right on the dot. However, once you add them into your app, it is kicking off that sale price and it's applying the instant savings. So you kind of have to be careful. Now, I'm definitely going to try this deal in store and see what happens up at the register, because that may be totally different than what the app is telling us. But I just wanted to go ahead and let y'all know that these are included. But if you add it into your app, it is kicking off that sale price. Okay, now I'm going to show you all just some items that are included that are showing up in the app as working with this instant savings deal. Now, there may be more in the store, so once you get in there, just make sure that you scan and make sure that that instant savings deal does show up. Now, we'll be doing some instant savings deal with a 3 off 15 DG store coupon in the next video, so make sure that y'all stay tuned for that as well. All right, so first up we have the V8 drinks. So we have V8 Splash, V8 Original, and the V8 Original cans, 6 count. So again, if you wanted to pick up those V8 Splash drinks, it's going to kick off that sale and apply the regular price. All right, so next up we have these Swanson broths. There's different ones that y'all can choose from. You can pick up the 14.5 ounce cans or the 32 ounce cartons. All right, next up we have a lot of different Campbell's soups included in this instant savings. So there are the products and all of the different prices. And we also have the Campbell's SpaghettiOs. So these are priced at $1.15, again included in that instant savings deal. And last but not least, we have the 24-ounce Pace sauce for $3.25. Now, keep in mind that y'all can mix and match however you would like, but I will be putting together some instant savings deals and stacking that with the 3 off 15 DG store coupon in the next video. So again, make sure y'all stay tuned. All right, now let's get into some household deals. And first up, we have the Scott bath tissue. Now, y'all keep in mind we do have instant savings still going on for the Scott brand products. So when you spend $15 on Scott products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So first up, we have the Scott Comfort Plus bath tissue 12 big rolls. These are on sale this week for $4.50, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $3.50. Now, that 1-off-1 digital coupon also works on the 6 big rolls. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. Next up, we have a sale on the Brawny 4-count paper towels. These are normally $9.95, but they're on sale this week for $6.95, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $5.95. All right, next up, we have the Gain laundry products. These are priced at $7.50. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $5.50. Now, we also received a separate Gain digital coupon for 2-off-1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergent. These are priced at $5.50, so after that coupon's applied, you're going to pay $3.50. All right, next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the All or Snuggle products. So these are all on sale for $4.50. There's different ones that y'all can choose from, and after that coupon's applied, you're going to pay $3.50. All right, next up, here's a really good deal. We have a 5-off-1 digital coupon for the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits. So these are priced at $11. After that coupon's applied, you're going to pay just $6. All right, next up, I wanted to go ahead and let y'all know that those DG store coupons that were kind of being weird on Sunday, those did start working. So we have this 50% off one digital coupon for the True Living Ultra 2 big roll paper towels. So these are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. All right, next up, we have a $4.05 off one digital coupon for the Kingsford charcoal. So these start out at $13. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. All right, next up, we have a one-off-one digital coupon for the Tide Simply liquid laundry detergents. These start out at $7.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. Next up, we received two-off-one digital coupons for the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. So these start out at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. Now, if your store is out of the ones that are priced at $3.75, the next price point is $5.80. So you can pick up one of those, use that coupon, and you're going to pay $3.80. Next up, we have a 50% off one digital coupon for the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up the Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Lemon Breeze Scent 19 ounces, those are priced at $2.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. All right, next up, we have a one-off-one digital coupon for the Rexall mouthwash. So these are priced at $3.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. All right, next up, we have a one-off-one digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are priced at $2.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. And y'all don't forget that we do have that instant savings on Colgate and Palmolive and Ajax and Suavitel. There's a lot included. That instant savings is still going on this week as well. All right, next up, we have a one-off-one digital coupon for the DG Health ointments. There's different ones that y'all can pick up. We have the triple antibiotic ointment. These are priced at $2.60. After that coupon, you're going to pay $1.60. Okay, next up, we have a 4-off-1 digital coupon for the Chic Intuition razors. So these are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. All right, next up, here's a deal that popped up last minute. So we have the Dove Men Plus Care Deodorants, 1.7 ounces. These are priced at $4.25. Pick up two of those. Use that 2 off 7 Dove DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $6.50 for two. But the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $2 rebate, and there is a limit of 3. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get a total of $4 back. That's going to make your final price $2.50 for two. Alright guys, so not a typical week going on at DG, right? So usually we have more personal care deals, and usually we at least have one glitch. But not this week. It's a little bit different. But even though it is different, I think this is still a good week to be shopping at DG because we just have so many good deals on food items. Now, I don't know about you guys, but my regular grocery bill has almost doubled over the past few months. So, I am not mad about seeing all of these food deals. I am glad we're getting instant savings and sales and rebates for food items because that is definitely one area that I need to really buckle down and start focusing and finding different ways where we can save money on food items. So, y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I'm going to be stacking some of those food deals with this 3 off 15 DG store coupon that we have right now. And Miss Debra Williams-Buss has already sent me over like 2 or 3 deals to share with y'all as well. And you guys know she's on top of it and all about those low out-of-pocket deals. So, make sure that you're subscribed and turn on those notifications so that you are notified whenever I upload the next video. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and like I said before, make sure that you're subscribed, turn on your notifications. On your way out, if you could, please hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Even if you just share it to yourself, that tells YouTube that, hey, it's a video worth watching and sharing with your friends. So please click on that share button and share it out, and thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.